Hi, I'm Annalisa, and this week's segment is on how New Yorkers can travel without leaving home. And for that, we look to the Middle East Village, and at a dance that's named after an unsung erogenous zone, the belly. Yes, it's belly dancing, which has been gyrating its way across New York and into classes, workshops, nightclub shows, and even Manhattan's glossy gyms. For New York culture hounds on a budget, belly dancing offers a memorable way to shimmy into Middle Eastern culture. The Belly Queen dance troupe performs throughout the city, including Wednesdays at Jam under Jabon Bar in St. Mark's Place in the East Village. Belly dancing is actually the oldest dance in the world. There are depictions of it on pharaohs' tombs in Egypt, and it further evolved throughout the Middle East, including with Roma gypsies and during Turkey's Ottoman Empire, livening up weddings, festivals, and even fertility and birthing rituals. Observe closely, as each gesture can be traced back to ancient times. The delicate hand movements or snake arms, the flourish of the shimmery veil, and the signature swiveling of the hips while maintaining the upper body elegantly still. Belly dancing has also popped up in modern music. Check out Shakira's dance moves. But one of the first things you'll learn about belly dancing is to dispel the myths. It's often been painted as the dance equivalent of a siren song, a sexual beguiling dance to entice men. But while it's undeniably sensual, from the pelvic thrusts and rolling hips to the sparkly skirts, in fact, the dance was originally performed by women for women. Another myth, it's not just about the belly. While all eyes are on the undulating midriff, it's about using the entire body, and it develops an incredible core strength and makes for a superb workout. As one of the lead dancers of Belly Queen explains, it's about both sky and earth energies. So while ballet focuses on the sky and African dances on the earth, belly dancing combines the two. You're grounded with your feet, but lifted at the same time. And finally, there's the female empowerment, or what you could call discovering your inner Cleopatra. At its core, belly dancing is about celebrating oneself, spirit, and sisterhood, all in regal fashion. As one instructor puts it, follow these 3 tips and you're off to a good start. Shoulders back, belly in, and walk like a queen. For more information on classes, shows, and events, check out bellyqueen.com. And until next week, as they say in the Middle East, ma salama.